Hello, good morning. Thank you for calling APCS Hotel. This is Jedrick. How may I help you?
Hello, good morning. I would like to have a reservation
Certainly, ma'am. May I know your preferred date and how many nights?
on June 1 until June 5.
May I also know for how many guests, ma'am?
Just one.
Alright, ma'am. May I put you on hold for a minute? I will just check the availability of our rooms in our system.
Okay.
Thank you for patiently waiting, ma'am. Upon checking, there are available rooms on your preferred date. We have standard room for 2,000 pesos per night, deluxe room for 3,000 pesos per night, superior room for 7,000 pesos per night, and presidential suite for 13,000 pesos per night. Which room do you prefer, ma'am?
I would like to have the deluxe room, please.
Noted on that, ma'am. May I know if this reservation is under your name?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. To proceed with your reservation, I would like to inform you that the hotel policy requires a 50% down payment to guarantee your booking. Is that alright with you, ma'am?
Yes, that's okay.
May I have your full name, ma'am?
My name is Stephanie Yu.
Let me repeat your full name, ma'am. Stephanie Yu. Stephanie S stands for Sharon, T for Tango, E for Echo, P for Papa, H for Hotel, A for Alpha, N for November, I for India, T for Echo. For you, ma'am, Y for Yankee, and U for Uniform. Is that all correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Thank you, ma'am. I know for your address, phone number, and email address, ma'am.
My address is in Australia and my phone number is 0123456789 and my email address is stephanieu@gmail.com.
May I also have your card details, ma'am, for your down payment?
I'll be using my MasterCard and that card name under my name, Stephanie Yu, and the card number is 0123456788765431 and the expiration for that number is October 2033.
Thank you, ma'am. Since you're coming from Australia, would you like to me to add an airport transport service?
No thanks.
Alright, ma'am, do you have any other special requests?
No.
Alright, ma'am, I will now repeat your reservation details. This reservation is under the name of Stephanie Yu. You reserve a deluxe room for only one, with a rate of 3,000 per night inclusive of breakfast. You will be arriving on June 1 and your departure date is June 5. So you will be staying with us for 5 days and 4 nights. Your contact number is 091234567889. Your email address is stephanie@gmail.com. You had your 50% down payment of 6,000 and your remaining balance is 6,000. You will be using your MasterCard. The account name is Stephanie Yu and the account number is 123456788765431. The expiration date is October 2032. Is the all information correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Just a quick reminder of our hotel policies. A cancellation or amendment made 3 days prior to arrival will cost a cancellation fee of 1 night's room charge. In the event of no show, a fee of 1 night room charge will be charged to your credit card. Check-in time is from 2 p.m. and check-out time is by 12 noon. A valid government-issued identification or password is required at check-in. Do you agree with these policies, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Is there anything else that I can assist you with, ma'am?
Nothing.
Alright, ma'am. Your reservation has been made. A confirmation letter will be sent to your email.
Okay, thank you.
It's my pleasure, ma'am. Thank you for choosing APCS Hotel. We look forward to seeing you here on June 1. Have a wonderful day, ma'am.
Thank you, you too. Bye.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to APCS Hotel. I am Jedrick, your bellman for today. Can Can I assist you with your luggage, ma'am? I received one luggage, ma'am. Is there any recovered inside, ma'am? Alright, ma'am. This way to the front desk, ma'am. After you, ma'am. Parang nga, G. Good afternoon, ma'am. Welcome to MSS Hotel. I'm Jedrick. How may I assist you?
Hello, good afternoon. I have a reservation here.
May I know, ma'am, if the reservation is under your name?
Yes.
May I borrow your valid ID, ma'am? Wait for a while, ma'am. I will just check your reservation. Thank you for patiently waiting, Miss Yu. Upon checking, you have a guaranteed reservation. You have to reserve a deluxe room for 3,000 pesos per night to June 1 until June 5. You will be staying with us for 5 days and 4 nights. And you already paid your 50% down payment with MasterCard. That's all details, correct, ma'am?
Yes.
Alright, ma'am. Please have sit for a while. I will just process your registration. Excuse me, Miss Yu. Here's your registration form. You can check details and sign it at the bottom. By the way, ma'am, do you have a loyalty card or club membership card?
No.
Would you like to avail our club membership card? It only costs 1,000 pesos. You can have full access to our fitness gym and bar section located on the third floor of the hotel within 1 year.
No, thank you.
Alright, ma'am. You're welcome.
Kalong tumakas.
By the way, Miss Yu, our breakfast buffet is open from 6 a.m. until 10 a.m. in the morning. Our pool is available from 8 a.m. until 6 p.m. in the evening. And if you have any special requests, please don't hesitate to contact us or inform us. You're most welcome, ma'am. Here's your valid ID and room A, and your room number is 302, located on the third floor. Our bellman will assist you to get there. You're welcome, ma'am. Have a good day.
Mr. Jedrick, can you please assist Miss Yu to her room at the third floor 302?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jedrick, your billman for today. I am here, ma'am, to lead you to your room. May I assist you, ma'am, with your luggage?
Kuha mong load.
This way to the elevator, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. We are here at the MSS Hotel elevator. Allow me, ma'am, to introduce our hotel facilities. We have 4 different restaurants here. It offers different cuisines. We have French, Chinese, American, and of course, Filipino cuisine, which are all located on the third floor of the hotel. And they are open from 6 a.m. until 10 p.m. in the evening. And our infinity pool, ma'am, is located at the top of the floor, and it's available 24/7. And our fitness gym, ma'am, which are located on the 4th floor next to the spa and salon.
Ano po?
Alright, ma'am, we are already here at the 3rd
Bakit
floor.
ka nawala mo?
After you, ma'am.
Thank you.
We are already here at your room, ma'am. Allow me first to check your room. May I borrow your key card, ma'am? Room check. Room check. Room check. as I check your room, ma'am, your room is ready. You may come in after you. Excuse me, ma'am. Would you like to put your luggage, ma'am?
Just on the side, please. Thank you.
Alright, ma'am. Allow me to introduce your room facilities and amenities. You have your TV, ma'am, that connected to our Wi-Fi, and mini bar for your refreshments. Once consumed, the charge will be charged to your room account. And also, you have the safety box where you can put your important things or valuable things to ensure the safety of your things or belongings. And also, you have your private bathroom with a bathtub where you can enjoy or unwind and soaking with a hot and cold shower. You can enjoy while stay with us. And also, if you're looking fresh air and something sightseeing, you have your balcony where you can enjoy the overlooking of the city. Beside of the glass window, just gently swipe the glass to avoid breaking it. Is there anything else I can assist with you, ma'am?
No, not tonight. Thank you.
Alright, ma'am. Don't hesitate to contact us or dial us. Just dial 1 for housekeeping and 0 for the front office. Thank you, ma'am. Have a great day.
You too, bye.
Bill service. Bill service. Bill service. Good morning, ma'am. I believe today is your check-out day.
Yeah.
I am here, ma'am, to assist you with your luggage. May I come in?
Yes, please.
Are you ready to go, ma'am?
Yes.
Shall we go?
Yes.
Where are you, ma'am?
Thank you.
Excuse me, ma'am. How's your stay, ma'am?
It was great. Thank you.
How about your service, ma'am?
It was great also. I was having fun.
The food, ma'am?
It was also great. It was so delicious.
Our pleasure, ma'am, to hear your compliments. I'm glad to see you here again, ma'am.
Yeah. I'll be back soon. Thank you.
Alright, ma'am, we are already here at the ground floor. After you, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am. I am Jedrick. How may I assist you?
Good afternoon. I would like to check out.
Alright, ma'am. May I know your name and room number, please?
My name is Stephanie Yu and my room number is 302.
Thank you, ma'am. May I get your key card, please?
Yeah.
For a moment, ma'am, I will just check out your account.
Okay, thank you.
Good afternoon. This is Jedrick from Front Desk Cashier. Let's check room 302. Thank you. Thank you for waiting, Miss Yu. You already paid for your accommodation, but you have room charges yesterday. Can you check your bill, please?
Yeah, I will pay for it.
How would you like to settle your payment, ma'am? Is it
Card.
cash or card?
Card.
Okay, ma'am. May I know the details of your card, please? Together with your valid ID.
I'll be using my MasterCard and the card number is 123456788765422.
Alright, ma'am. Here's your card together with your valid ID. Your receipt. By the way, ma'am, do you have a car or do you need a taxi?
I need a taxi.
Alright, ma'am. For a moment, please. Uh, Hello, front desk. Please grab a taxi for Miss Yu. Thank you. Alright, excuse me, ma'am. I already called for your taxi. Our will assist you to get there,
Okay.
and also to assist your luggage.
Okay.
It's always a pleasure, ma'am. Thank you for staying with us, and we hope to see you again soon. Good afternoon, ma'am. I'm Jedrick, your billman for the day. I will lead you to your taxi, ma'am, and I am here to assist you with your luggage. By the way, ma'am, thank you for choosing FSSM Hotel. We are looking forward to your next visit. This way to your taxi, ma'am. For you, please.